Hi, this is Mr. Lehman. I'm going to work with you to go over number 6 on worksheet 11B. Didn't copy the title there. Worksheet 11B. Number 6 is a problem a little bit different than the ones we did in class. The thing that you are looking for every time right now is an x squared or something squared. I do have an x squared. I do not have the parentheses squared. There's nothing on the parentheses, so the parentheses is not being squared, just the x squared, which means I can kind of treat it like normal. The biggest thing that means for me right now is I can actually distribute if I want to. So I'm going to distribute this negative 3 in and kind of rewrite this. So I get negative 6x squared minus 18. I still have my plus 1. I still have my negative 20. I can combine the negative 18 and the plus 1 to clean that up a little bit. Negative 6x squared minus 17 equals negative 20. From there, I just need to do the same thing I did on the previous two problems. Get the x squared by itself and take the square root. I'm going to do that by adding 17 to both sides of the equation. So now I have negative 6x squared. 17's cancel out to 0 equals negative 3. It's okay that there's a negative. We know how to deal with that from the last problem. Or let's see what happens when I divide. If I divide by negative 6, for this problem I will get x squared. That becomes a 1. So 1x squared equals negative 3 divided by negative 6 is 1/2 or 0.5. Does not matter whether you use a decimal or a fraction. And then I take the square root. So the square root of x squared is x. The square root of 0.5 is 0.71 and negative 0.71. Remember, your calculator will not give you the positive and the negative. We said in class that there are usually two answers. Think about all those graphs we did. There are two intersection points, two x-intercepts. You can write your answer in set notation, negative 0.71, comma 0.71. You don't have to, but you can. That's what it looks like on the answer key to the worksheet. And that is how we do number 6. Feel free to watch the other videos if you want to look at some of the other even numbers.